It sure is a beauty, Muskie.
Makes my mouth water for one of them there delicious fish fries.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, wait, what was that? Sounded like the Day of Judgment.
Hey, our fish fry done got up and went.
Maybe you caught a flying fish and he flew away.
Flying fish, nothing. That old baldy-headed eagle come a-swooping down and took it.
We ain't never gonna have our fish fry with that bird burglar on the loose.
There's only one thing to do. Deputy Dawg! Deputy Dawg! A cotton-picking, baldy-headed eagle just swooped down and swiped our dinner. I demand you arrest him for catfish stealing.
Don't you worry, Muskie. Your troubles are over with old Deputy Dawg on the job. Now, as soon as that old eagle dives for this pork chop, I'll put the legal dragnet on him. Whoa, here he comes now.
Nice going there, Deputy Dawg. Nice going.
Dagnabbit, I'll catch that baldy-headed eagle if it's the last thing I do. A little lower there, boys.
I sure hope Deputy Dawg knows what he's doing this time.
Now, when that eagle flies down to get this here watermelon, his head will go right in this noose. And when it does... Got any more good ideas there, Mr. Deputy?
Don't you worry about our deputy. He always gets his man.
Why, catching lawbreakers is easy for him as shooting fish in a barrel.
That's it! Fish in a barrel! Stand back, boys. Now, when that old baldy-headed eagle dives for the fish, I clamps the lid on him, and before you know it... Help! Help! That does it. I'm gonna fight that varmint on his own territory where he lives.
You sure you know what you're doing, Deputy Dawg?
I sure do, Muskie. There'll be no more waiting and baiting that eagle. I'm gonna switch to the attack, and when I find him... Now, who would have thought of looking down there?
Smart thinking, man.
Don't leave me, Muskie! Do something!
Oh, my. It's all right, Deputy Dawg. There's a big stump up here. You can lasso it and pull yourself up. Uh-oh. Oh, see you later, Deputy Dawg.
Just wait till I get my hands on you! Help! Help! My, here comes Deputy Dawg. Looks like to me he called his man. I think... Look out! You're heading for the cliff!
We got him, boys. Bring me a rope there.
Hold it, boys! That's a mama eagle you got there. She was only trying to get food for her babies. I can't arrest her for following her natural born instincts.
Doggone. Old Deputy Dawg sure knows how to administrate the justice.
Come and get it there, eagle babies.
Them eagles will sure have respect for the law from now on, boy.
Hey, come back here, you.
Hey, Deputy Dawg, fits him better than it does you.